What's the meaning of breakdown truck? Breakdown truck. Breakdown truck.
Breakdown truck. Breakdown truck. A breakdown truck, also known as a tow truck or wrecker, is a vehicle used to transport disabled or otherwise immobile vehicles. These trucks are equipped with specialized equipment such as winches, chains, and towing straps to safely and efficiently move broken-down vehicles. The towing process typically involves lifting the disabled vehicle onto the back of the breakdown truck, securing it with straps or chains, and transporting it to a repair facility or impound lot. Breakdown trucks are a vital service for motorists who experience mechanical issues or accidents on the road, ensuring that stranded vehicles can be quickly and safely moved out of traffic.